Hello guys. Ayan. Sorry. So there, I'm Honey Kulits and this will be my first vlog ever. So, ayan, di ba? Ang ganda ko sa first vlog ko. Ganyan na itsura ko. Walang may muta-muta pa ata ako. Anyways, if you're hearing the background, dead man na lang. Okay? So, this is just an introduction, guys. So, marami akong ipopost na iba-iba. There would be like, photo clips, video clips, iba-iba talaga. I don't have nothing in particular to vlog. Kung basta iba-iba, may makeup, may ganyan. Miski hindi ako marunong mag-makeup, may makeup, may love life, may kwento lang, may basta anything goes. Okay? Kung ano mapagtripan for the day, then it will be it. So there. So yung kakakain ko lang ng itlog, pasensya na. Has I'm in a diet ko, no, dahil wala nagpapasexy dahil ang laki na ng bilbil ko. So there. So guys, deadline nyo na lang yung mga blemishes ko, ha. Hindi kasi ako ma-vain na tao eh. Basta yon ganon. Okay? So there. So try to subscribe. Basta siguro later I'll be posting another video na maayos-ayos ang itsura ko. Sana. Okay? So there. So ciao. Bye-bye. See you later. Subscribe kayo, ha. Like nyo na rin. Tapos views, share, ganyan. Para makarami. Okay? Bye-bye.